Hi friends, did you know that every single number in the whole world is built from just 10 little symbols? Just 10! And we call those digits. Let's meet them. Here they are. I bet you can count them with me too. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all of them. 10 digits. 0 all the way up to 9. Your age, your house number, 100, even 1,000,000. Every number you have ever seen is made up from these same 10 digits. From 0 all the way up to 9. But how could that be? All these numbers made up of just these 10 digits? But the biggest digit we have is 9. What do we do if we need a number bigger than the number 9? Like 10 or 20 or 55? How could that be? Well, we don't get a brand new digit. There's no special symbol for just 10. Instead, we do something clever. We use the same 10 digits again, but we put them in different spots. Because here's the secret, friends. What a digit is worth depends on where it sits. And the spot where a digit sits, that's called its place. Every number has these places, and we line them up in a chart like this. Look how far it goes. The spot on the far right is the ones place. Next to it is the tens place. Next to that is the hundreds place. Then the thousands place. Then it keeps going. 10,000s, 100,000s, and 1,000,000. And even bigger. Whoa! Now here's the amazing part. Watch this little digit 5 in the ones place. It just means 5. 5 little ones. Now move it one spot over to the tens place. Now it means 50. Move it again to the hundreds place. That's 500. And again to the thousands place. That's 5,000. Keep going to the 10,000s place. That's 50,000. Again to the 100,000s place. That's 500,000. And one more, all the way up to the millions place, 5,000,000. Whoa! It's the same little 5, but every single spot it moves over, it grows bigger and bigger and bigger. And each time it moves over, we fill a 0 behind it to fill its place. 5, 50, 500, 5,000, 50,000, 500,000, and 5,000,000. The place gives the digit its value, and that is exactly why we call it place value. Let's watch this happen by counting some cookies. We drop them into our cookie jar one at a time. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look, 9 cookies in the jar. And our ones place shows 9. But watch what happens when we add just one more. 10 cookies. And 10 cookies fills the whole jar into one group of 10. So we bundle that up and slide the jar over into the tens place. Now we have one group of 10 and 0 cookies left over. And that is the number 10. So when the ones place fills up, we group and move over to the next place. And that is how we count past the number 9. Let's build a bigger number. Say we have 2 full cookie jars and 3 loose cookies left over. The 2 jars are 2 groups of 10. So a 2 goes in the tens place. The 3 loose cookies are 3 ones. So a 3 goes in the ones place. And that makes 23. Say it with me, 23. Let's try another number. This time, we have 3 full jars and 2 loose cookies. The 3 jars are 3 groups of 10. So a 3 goes in the tens place. The 2 loose cookies are 2 ones. So a 2 goes in the ones place. And that makes 32. Wow! Now look at them side by side, friends. 23 and 32. They both use a 2 and a 3, the very same digits, but they are not the same number. In 23, the 2 is in the tens place, so that is 20. In 32, the 3 is in the tens place, so that is 30. Same digits, but a different place, and that makes a completely different number. And that is the magic of place value. Here's one more cool trick. You can stretch a number out to see all of its places. Take the number 546. The 5 is in the hundreds place, so that is 500. The 4 is in the tens place, so that is 40. And the 6 is in the ones place, so that is 6. So 546 is really just 500 plus 40 plus 6. And one more thing about places, friends. If a place has nothing in it, we put a 0 there to hold its spot. Like in 506, the 0 sits in the tens place to show that there are no tens. Or remember when we were moving the 5 over from 5 to 50 to 500, we were filling in a 0 in the empty spot. So here's everything you just learned, friends. Every number is built from 10 digits, 0 to 9. When a place fills up, we group and move to the next place. And the place a digit sits in tells us what it is worth. That is place value. And you just mastered it. And now it's time to practice. In my very next video, we're going to use this new superpower to light up a whole hotel. We have to find the hotel rooms that are not lit up. You definitely don't want to miss this. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another video. Thank you for learning with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.